Before cooking, heat the pan on low heat. I will start by separating egg white and egg yolk. I will be using 2 eggs. Put the egg white in the bigger bowl because you'll be whipping the egg white later. Put egg white in the freezer for a few minutes. This will help us make strong whip using egg white. First, stir egg yolk, and then you will add 20 grams of milk to egg yolk and then mix well. Sift 30 grams of flour and half teaspoon of baking powder and then mix it to egg yolk. And then mix everything well. Now you're going to take out egg white from the freezer and then you will put that in a bowl with ice water. You're going to whip egg white using mixer. Once egg white is somewhat whipped, you're going to add 1/3 of sugar and then mix it well again. Add second 1/3 of sugar and then mix it again. And then add the rest of sugar. Add half teaspoon of lemon juice. Turn the mixer off and then once the whip holds stiff peaks, whipping is complete. You're going to mix egg white and egg yolk together. It's very important that you don't overmix because that will destroy the whip from egg white. So once egg yolk and egg white is 80% mixed, you should stop blending. Put the pan on low heat and then coat the pan with some oil. And you're going to put the dough on the pan. I use spoon and put second scoop on top of the first scoop so that I can give adequate height to the pancake. You're going to put half tablespoon of hot water and then keep the pan on low heat and then put the lid on and then cook for 7 minutes on one side. After 2 minutes, if the water is almost gone, you should add another half tablespoon of hot water. Okay, so 7 minutes have passed on one side. I will open the lid. And I use knife or whatever is sharp to flip the pancake. Once you flip the pancake, you're going to add half tablespoon of hot water again and then put the lid on, and this time I'm going to cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. So the 5 minutes have passed. After flipping, I will open the lid and then make sure that the bottom is baked and then take it out to a dish. I was able to make this fluffy, soft, good color pancake using this recipe. I like to eat with whipping cream and maple syrup. And I added blueberries today just to add some cuteness to it.